Alright guys, and as promised, I'm back again for another video, and today we're going to be looking at two different off-white belts. But the thing is, I bought one on Wish and I bought one off of End Clothing. Before we get into this video, if you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm really close to hitting another channel milestone. In the video, we're going to be comparing a $3 off-white belt I bought off of Wish and see if it's worth compared to a $300 off-white belt bought off of End Clothing. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Just a little disclaimer, I don't condone the production, selling, or use of unauthorized items. I just really think that it causes a lot of problems in its own rights. And as for people wearing the fake item, I don't judge them when I see it in real life, but I do have a problem when people flex the product and claim that it's real. If you're knowingly wearing fake items, just honestly accept it, because then there's going to be one person that calls you out on it. Alright guys, so just a little bit of backstory with the off-white belt. The off-white belt's basically a really popular streetwear piece and high-end fashion piece that people like to use. I personally like to use it a lot, you know, with styling it through like trouser pants, or even you can style it over like a jumper. Like I've seen a lot of people just tie it over their jumpers and just, you know, pull it a more tapered look, and it does give your outfit a little bit more of a hype flex, a more high-end flex, and you do get a lot of brand recognition. Like, come on bro, it looks like police caution tape. So yeah, and it's honestly not that expensive. Like, I know I'm gonna get flamed in the comments for saying that, but it's not that expensive like compared to other off-white pieces. You can get Gucci belts for like 700 bucks, but you can get like an off-white belt with the same amount of flex for like half that. So yeah, that's sort of why it's really popular with teenagers and people that just want a bit of designer flex. So first impressions with the belt, let's get the unauthorized version out. Yes, it did come in this packaging. So just opening it up, I can already notice the faint text lettering on the Wish belt compared to the bold, thick black lettering in the real one. And the material is this nylon type belt, which is honestly really common when it comes to different types of strap belt materials that unauthorized factories do use. And this of course is a D-loop belt, so it's not the right clasping mechanism that the off-white belt does use. And the only thing that's lacking on the tip is the black end guard material right here, and honestly that's absent on many models of the belt, including the one with the steel clasp variant. Alright guys, so in comparison with the real belt, let's open this one up right now. So guys, I copped this one off of the Spring Summer 19 collection. So I think you guys, if you guys want to cop, I think it's still available on End Clothing. I'll leave a couple links down below. So guys, in comparison with the real belt, a difference of course is the length of the belt. The real one should be about 2 meters long, and the clasping mechanism that basically makes the belt work should be this frosted type of hard resin material. Alright guys, now for styling the belt with your fits, make sure that the piece is the center point of your outfit, and make sure you use it for what it's for. Literally, you're gonna look like the biggest tryhard if you wrap it around your legs or something like that. So keep it simple and let the belt do its magic, because it will instantly bump up your swag meter on the streets. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you found it very informative, and I hope that you can learn to spot a fake and not get scammed yourself. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, drop a like and comment down in the comment box. I'll see you soon for another video, and you know what, make sure to follow my Instagram and my social media accounts down below. I'll see you soon. Peace.